Now, talking about in this video, we are going to talk in this video about what is a directory and files. So as I have said in the first video, in the instructor video, that I will be assuming that you have came from a Windows environment and you wanted to learn about the Linux environment. So talking about the Windows environment, there are folders and files. In the case of a Linux environment, there are directories and files. So nothing but what I am trying to say you in a simple word is, in Windows there are folders, and that folders in case of a Linux it is called as directories, and directories are folders and folders are directories, nothing else. But it is said in a different way or a different word in Linux or in technicality terms. So now let's interact with this terminal, because I don't wanted to make you late and feel you bored. So let's do a command. If we wanted to list all the files and directories, then we have to type there ls for listing. For listing, the short form is ls for listing files and directories. If you hit enter, you will be getting all the folders which are there. So where we are in home/ashu. So we will open this folder and right click here, properties, and we are in home, and it will be like go on other locations, computers, then home. Here is ashu, and you can find here all the desktop documents and this all the folders which are here. With the help of the terminal, we change our locations, or we change into directories. For example, I wanted to go in downloads folder. I will go cd downloads, hit enter, and I will go in the downloads. One thing you have to mention is I have used capital D. If I go back, that is cd dot dot, not one dot, not three dot, two dots only. If we now change to downloads with the help of lowercase d and hit enter, cd bash cd downloads, no such files or directory. It means that if we means the Linux is case sensitive. Yes, the Linux is case sensitive, and this is the first thing you have to note it down, that Linux is a case sensitive. Every time you move from one folder to another, or you do some other changes, you need to be very particular about the word to word what you are writing down. You don't have to just think or elaborate something else. You have to be particular, like what are you trying to do in this Kali system, or sorry, Ubuntu systems. Sorry, I am used to the Kali system and I keep on saying that Kali system. So now where am I? To know where am I, or should I say particular present working directory, that is pwd, present working directory, hit enter, and you will find that I am in home and ashu. So this was it for the directories, and if you wanted to make directories, then you can also make it, and you can also make files, but we will be learning about that in the upcoming videos. But for now, you have to get to the basics, and I wanted to make your base very strong, so that you can know like what are the things we are going to do. So right now you don't have to remember all these commands, and I will be covering up all these things in the next videos. So thank you for watching and stay tuned.